If you use Outlook every day, setting up automatic replies can save you a lot of time and help you stay professional when you're away from your inbox. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up automatic replies in Outlook step by step, so you can let people know you're out of office, share when you'll be back, and even control what happens to your calendar while you're away. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Outlook and look for the gear icon in the top right corner. This is your settings menu, and it's where most of the important account options are located. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel. Once the menu appears, go to Accounts, then select Automatic Replies. This is the section where you can turn on your out-of-office responses and customize exactly how Outlook handles your messages while you're unavailable. Now toggle Turn on Automatic Replies. As soon as you switch this on, Outlook will allow you to create and control your automatic response message. If you only want replies to be sent during a certain period, check the option that says Send replies only during a time period. This is especially useful if you're going on vacation, taking a short leave, or just want the replies to start and stop automatically without you needing to come back and turn them off later. After selecting that option, set your start time and your end time. Make sure the schedule matches the exact period you want Outlook to respond on your behalf. This way, your automatic replies begin and end at the right time, which helps you avoid sending out-of-office messages longer than necessary. Next, you'll see additional options that can help manage your calendar while you're away. You can choose to block your calendar or decline meetings, depending on how you want Outlook to handle new requests. If you're completely unavailable, these options are a smart way to prevent accidental scheduling conflicts and make sure people know you're not accepting meetings during that period. Now it's time to write your message. Type the reply you want people to receive when they email you. Keep it clear, polite, and helpful. A good automatic reply usually includes that you're away, the date you'll return, and who to contact if the matter is urgent. If you need different responses for people outside your company, check the option that says Send replies outside your organization. This is very helpful if clients, customers, or external contacts also need to get your out-of-office message. You can customize the message for external senders if needed, so it still sounds professional and gives the right information. Once your message is ready and all your settings look correct, click Save. That will activate your automatic replies in Outlook using the settings you chose. From that point on, Outlook will send your reply automatically during the time period you selected, or continuously if you chose not to set a schedule. And that's it. You've now set up automatic replies in Outlook. It's a simple feature, but it makes a big difference when you're away from your desk. If this video helped you out, please like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.